If you're a caregiver, a nurse, or a healthcare worker trying to relocate abroad but you're stressed about visas and paperwork, you are not alone, and I've just discovered a way to move abroad legally as a caregiver or a healthcare worker, stress-free with full support. Now in this video, I'll show you step-by-step guide on how to prepare, the jobs available, how much you can earn, and which agency helps you relocate safely. Stay with me till the end because this one could be the chance that you've been waiting for. Okay, now countries like Ireland, the UK, and parts of the Middle East are facing massive shortages in healthcare workers. Hospitals, elderly care homes, and private clinics need qualified professionals urgently, and some of the most in-demand roles include staff nurses, registered nurses, general wards, ICU, or pediatric departments. Now for the caregivers, and the healthcare assistant, they need, the in-demand roles are needed in, elderly care, home care, rehabilitation centers, and then for midwives, the maternity wards and community care. For the specialist nurses, ICU, dialysis, and oncology, all of these are in demand right now. Did you know hospitals are willing to sponsor visas for qualified professionals? This means you can relocate legally without worrying about complex paperwork on your own. This is where this agency comes in. Now, let's talk money, because healthcare jobs abroad are much higher paying than local salaries. Now, imagine as a caregiver and a healthcare assistant, you earn about €1,800 to €2,200 per month in Ireland or the UK, or even a little bit more, depending on your experience. And then for registered nurses, you're likely to earn about €2,500 to €3,500 per month. Again, it depends on your experience and location. Now, for specialist nurses, they will be earning about anything from $3,500 to $4,500 per month. It might even be way higher, again, depending on your years of experience. Okay. Now, some positions also comes with accommodation, relocation assistance, and even initial flight support. Not all of them do. Now, this is why so many healthcare workers are moving abroad. It is not just about a better salary, but career growth, work-life balance, and international experience. Now, let's talk about preparing your documents. Getting your documents will save you months of delay, especially once you've gotten a response or once you found that one the particular agency that I'm going to be mentioning now, right? So you need your passport. Make sure it is valid for at least 12 months. And then you need your nursing or a caregiver certificate, or your degree or your diploma. Okay, degree and diploma with your transcript, all of these should be ready. Okay, and then you would need your employment reference letters, getting references from the places you've worked before. And then you would also need an English proof of proficiency. Now, this is not usually required. If you're not from an English speaking country, you might be asked if your English is not that clear, but make sure you can speak good English at least. Okay, now you need your CV, an updated one, okay, using the country format. All right, now make sure you have both physical copies and scanned digital versions ready of all these documents, because agencies and employers will ask for both depending on the process you're going for. Now, once all of these things are all ready, the process can take anywhere from 3 to 8 months, sometimes even 1 year, depends on the country. Okay, now depending on your country of origin, the language test completion, and even the hospital verification. Again, it is a healthcare job, so they usually would have to go through some process, which might also elongate the whole process for the relocation thing. Yeah, now you know what the exciting part is? The agency that has been helping nurses and caregivers relocate abroad successfully is called Kate Cowhig International Healthcare Recruitment. Now, they specialize in placing healthcare professionals in Ireland, the UK, and also other countries abroad, with full support for job matching, visa and immigration paperwork, professional registration like the NMC in the UK and the NMBR in Ireland. They help you with all these professional certifications and registrations, which is very important because most times you need all of these things to qualify you to work as a healthcare worker in these countries according to the healthcare regulations. Okay, now their services are free for applicants. because they are paid by the hospitals, not by you. Okay, now how does this whole process works? The usual process for this agency goes like this. So you first upload your documents, your CV and all those documents I mentioned earlier. And then once you've done that, they match you with hospitals or care homes. So you just have to be patient, okay? Once they've found one that matches with that best fits your role and your position, the ones that you are meant to go for, okay? The ones that you are qualified for, you will be prepared for the interview. So they guide you on what to expect and how to succeed for the interview. And then once you've gone for the interview and it gets successful, you'd be given the job offer and the contract. So you'll be informed the salary, the benefits, and the job role. Everything is going to be confirmed. Then this agency would guide you through the application and the approval process. And then some packages also includes flights, airport pickup, and initial accommodation as well, which again, it's a good thing. Now, this now begins your international healthcare career abroad. Now, by following this process, thousands of healthcare workers have successfully relocated in at least 6 to 9 months, or let's say a year, depending again on your country of origin. It depends and it varies. Okay. Now, I'm going to be telling you this. There's something you don't know yet. Again, it depends. Everybody cannot be specialized in this, but specialties like those nurses working in the ICU, dialysis, or pediatric nursing roles usually pay more, and then experience matters. So imagine you have an experience of from 2 to 5 years. This can increase your salary by hundreds of euros. So this is also a good thing. Make sure you're applying with experience. You've worked somewhere. You have the qualifications. At least all of this will boost and enhance your chances of getting accepted. Okay. Now, hospitals hire in batches. So early applications gives you priority. Also, you have to exercise patience as well. Okay. Missing paperwork can delay everything. So make sure your documents, everything is ready. Prepare everything in advance. Okay. Remember, the earlier you start, the faster you can land a higher paying job or you roll abroad. So if you're a caregiver, a nurse, or a healthcare worker, this is your chance to relocate legally, smartly, and start earning that particular salary you've been dreaming for. Okay, I'm going to be putting the link for this agency in the description. Make sure to check that so you can apply directly through them. And then I want you to put in the comments, let me know what other video you want to be seeing in the channel. If you have any questions, I will be replying to as many as I can. Put them in the comments as well. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insider guides. And also don't forget to join our membership just so that you will get more peak and benefits from this channel. Okay, now this is all for today. If you have any questions, like I said, do well to ask. And thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.